Are these two words the same? Every day and every day. They sound the same and look almost the same, but they are not the same. Every day with a space means each day, or har roz in Hindi. For example, I drink about 2 bottles of water every day with a space. Every day without a space is an adjective, which means something that is very common that you can find everywhere and probably use daily. Here's an example. You can replace many everyday household items with sustainable alternatives, such as replacing paper towels with cloth kitchen towels. So an everyday household item is a commonplace thing. It is something that is ordinary, typical, usual, just something normal that you would find and probably use every single day. Now it's your turn. Please put the correct everyday into these 4 sentences. Okay, try to remember, when will you use everyday with a space and without a space? Let's start. Number 1. While dosas and idlis are an everyday breakfast item in South India, in the north, people choose to go out for dosas with their friends as a treat. Number 2. People should aim to do something every day to take care of their health. Number 3. Most young people consider wearing a sari to work as something to do on a special occasion. But in the past, it was an everyday item of clothing alongside the salwar kameez in the professional world. Number 4. My mother likes wearing a sari every day to work because she says that she looks and feels best in a sari. Just remember, with a space, every day means daily or each day, every single day. Whereas every day without a space simply means a commonplace, typical, usual, ordinary thing that you can use daily. Now, if you would like to practice English every single day, please consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nandini, and I will see you in the next video, but not before saying thank you very, very much to all 100 of you who have already subscribed. It has given me a great boost. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing your answers below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!